Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to set snooze duration anywhere from 1 to 15 minutes on iPhone. Apple has finally delivered a long-awaited feature with iOS 26, the ability to customize your alarm snooze duration. For years, iPhone users were stuck with the default 9-minute snooze, a relic of mechanical clock design. But with the latest update, you can now set your snooze to any interval between 1 and 15 minutes, giving you more control over your morning routine. That's it, let's get started. So first and foremost, we have to launch the clock app on your iPhone. And then you have to either select an existing alarm or create a new one by tapping on the plus button in the top right corner of the screen. And inside the alarm settings, select the new snooze duration option. Now a menu will appear allowing you to pick any time between 1 and 15 minutes. After selecting your desired snooze time, make sure to tap on the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen to confirm your changes, and that's about it. Your alarm will now snooze for the custom time interval you have just set. The customizable snooze duration in iOS 26 is a thoughtful, overdue feature that users will quietly appreciate. It eliminates the long-standing unrest and offers the flexibility to fit different waking habits. So, if you're running iOS 26, dive into the clock app and give your snooze the personal touch it truly deserves. And I'll catch you up in the next one.